Welcome to our installation guide for roller shades. Today, we will show you how to install your roller shade inside of your window frame. Let's get started. First, carefully unbox your roller shade. In your package, you should have the shade itself, mounting brackets, screws, and installation instructions. If your shade is motorized, you will also have a remote control and a charger. You will need to identify the front of your shade. This can be done by looking at the weight bar. So at the front of the shade, the weight bar will slightly jut out, while at the back, the weight bar will be flatter. Once you've identified the front, take a look at the ends of your roller shades. One end will be circular and the other will be rectangular. If the shades are a chain mechanism, the chain will be on the rectangular part. This is important as the brackets will have corresponding holes, one circular and one rectangular, and you will need to know which bracket goes on which side. Make sure to take a note of this and install accordingly. If you have a motorized shade, you won't have a chain, but please still follow the same steps to identify the front of the shade and then the correct bracket to use on each side. Next, mark and drill the holes. Place the bracket in the corner of the window frame and mark the holes with a pencil. Next, drill pilot holes at the marked positions. Now, secure the brackets inside the window frame using the provided screws. Make sure that the brackets are level and securely attached. Once the brackets are in place, you are ready to insert the roller shade. Start with the chain side and the rectangular hole bracket. Align the rectangle on the shade with the rectangular hole. Push it in and then down, and it should latch on. Once that happens, move on to the other side of the roller. This side has a round plastic button with a spring. You can attach this side by pushing in the spring, sliding it into place, and releasing. Next, you can install the fascia or valance. The fascia is built to cover the front and the bottom of the roller. First, you will need to determine the top and the bottom of the fascia, which is labeled in this image. In addition, if you have a chain mechanism, there will be a cutout in the fascia on the chain side in the bottom. To install, place the top part of the fascia into the grooves at the top corners of the brackets, and then click the bottom of the fascia into place. Now, we want to talk about different chain options. You can order your roller shade with plastic, black, white, or a metal chain. If you are ordering from Canada though, please note that the chain will come covered with a plastic channel according to Health Canada regulations. You can attach the chain system to the window or a wall and secure it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that there is enough tension and that the chain operates smoothly. Finally, test the shade to make sure that it rolls up and down smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure perfect operation. That's it! You've successfully installed your roller shade. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you like the video. We would love to receive your feedback and let us know what you would like to see in future videos.